Hello and welcome to today's video. So on the workbench today we have an AMC325, serial number, I don't know if you can see that, 1482. It is in for repair. Customer said he was driving along, went into regen, and it popped. So we know something's definitely wrong with it. He has a spare controller, he put that in, and the vehicle drives fine. So we definitely know that something wrong with this controller. You know, I've worked on a whole bunch of these things, and this is the first time I've ever seen one come in with this connector on it. This is a massive, massive Anderson connector. He had already taken this apart, so I didn't get to take that off, but this is the cable that goes out to your brake relay to, when you hit regen, it turns your brake lights on. But yeah, this is already removed from the drive, but this, I've never seen one with this connector on there. Just to give you a sense of scale, in case it's not coming across, this is the normal connector. This is what's normally on there. It's just a little bit bigger. I have no idea how much current this is rated for, but it's definitely overkill since this connector is more than enough. And not only is this one more than enough, it's actually the one that handles less current through the 2-gauge cables than the motor cables actually handle are a higher current. It sends more to the motor than it does drawing from the battery pack. But yeah, anyways, I've never seen one with this big a connector on there. We're going to go ahead and fire this puppy up. Show you what it does when it's has a problem here, or what it does. So if we put her in gear, we give it just a little bit of throttle. See the air light flashing? It can spin the drive, but it's not very strong. Like, I can stop it. You can see as it goes around, that usually means we've got a short circuit somewhere. So that red blinking light is is one of the phases shorting out. See, I can get into the area where it, yeah. So something's definitely wrong. We shouldn't be able to stop it. It should be pulling pretty hard. So we've lost a phase. I'll go ahead and shut this down here. So we definitely lost a phase. It's probably an open circuit or a short circuit, don't know yet. The air light could be coming on because one of these is detecting an overcurrent situation and shutting it down. The fact that it spins a little bit tells me we probably have an open circuit. It could have blown everything out. If this was smell-o-vision and you were to breathe in some of the odor coming off of the drive, you can tell that the magic smoke has been let out. It's definitely had better days. So I'll go ahead, confirm that it's not working, go ahead and take it apart and see what's wrong with it. Take the cover off. I don't know if you can hear in the background, there's this stepper motor kind of sound. I've got a 3D printer. Got a used one. Had a little damage in shipping, but I was able to fix it and get it back up and running. Leveled the bed. This one's used. It's got some pretty good gouges in the print bed there already. But we are printing. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of, wait, actually, can I turn on the light? Yes. Well, you probably can't really tell, but turn that off. We are printing the leaf plug for the leaf battery pack connector. So yeah, it's that far along. Came with some filament. I've got some green, black, and pink, so I can make the wife something. We've got a whole bunch of spool there. This is my test print. It is what's that guy, Baymax, I think, from Big Hero 6, and it was on the SD card, so I printed it. But yeah, came out pretty good. I think it's working. This is literally the second print I've ever done on it. So, but see how well it works. Running at 190-ish degrees in the extruder, 50 degrees for the bed, and print speed is 1. I don't know what that means. But yeah, it looks like it's everything's working. So crank out a few of those while we're trying to fix this drive. And yeah, anyways, Thanks for watching. Bye.